Can I help you?
Yeah, can I get a donut?
Anything else?
How about a new nose? This one keeps bumping into stuff.
You can't pick your nose.
I'm not picking my nose.
No, I mean it's your DNA that picks your nose.
Huh?
I'm glad you asked. It's like this.
Oh,
This is a cell.
that looks like a jelly donut.
Inside every cell is a nucleus.
Ooh,
And in every nucleus is your DNA.
looks delicious.
DNA contains thousands of instructions called genes, which are
Um,
what give your nose its specific shape, color, flavor.
Can I get one of those?
Did you ask how do these genes actually make a nose?
No,
Protein! Your nose is made of protein, like a donut is made of dough.
Oh.
It works like this.
Oh.
A gene sends a message to its cell's factories to produce a protein. But not just any protein. It takes a lot of different kinds of proteins to make a nose. Some proteins make the nose big. Some make it red. Some make it flexible, and some just hold it all together. Genes also tell cells to divide and grow, so that even more of those proteins are made. All that builds up, creating that trademark hunker of yours. And that's how your DNA picks your nose. And all the other parts of your body. Any questions?
Can I please just get a donut?
Oh, sorry. We're out.